How to send snaps from camera roll as normal snap without filter. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to send snaps from camera roll as normal snap without filter. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat. If you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. So if it's updated, we can now go to our Snapchat application. So if you open your Snapchat, it will actually look like this. So to send a normal snap without filter, it will actually look just a new message. Now, you want for it to be just like this. This is actually an example of new snap. So to send a new stop notification to that person, all you have to do is go back to your camera and then tap in on the left side here and under your camera roll. All you have to do is to choose a photo. Let's say this photo. You will see a down arrow here. You click on that down arrow and then all you have to do is to click on this scissor here. Click on that and then just draw the snap that you want to send. Let's just say I want to send this part. So click on done and then now you'll see this one. So we've already created our very own sticker. So let's say save a copy. And then what you want to do next is to press on any photo and then just type in here the sticker icon and then go to the cut icon here. And then you will actually see the sticker that you've just created. So if, let's say, if you want to put it like this and then send it to the same person, it will actually look like you've sent a new snap like this. It won't be delivered as new message, but instead it's a new snap. So basically that is how you send snaps from camera roll as normal snap without filter. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.